Dear all, I would like to invite you for the upcoming question and answer session.
Interesting question, and if you see little deeper, you can understand one point. He is not very comfortable with the word forgiving, and to me the question shows that he feels that people are using it as a tool to just ask sorry, and they are not really sorry about it. It is about the people who have inflicted pain or who have done something against you. Okay, here we are trying to use forgiving to self-protect, to be in the fort, to be in the self-protective fence. That's a primary idea. Our techniques are more pertinent from the perspective of self-protective thoughts. We need to be protective about ourselves, and we are using forgiving as a jargon or the fence which is going to cover us up. From what? From the idea that people have the capacity to trouble us. Once we allow them to trouble us, we are giving them the right, or we are magnifying their position and undermining our strength. So basically here we are supposed to do the other way around. We are trying to protect ourselves and feel that we have the inner strength to let go, forgive these people and move on. Yes, as he said that people are superficial, they may just pretend to be sorry for some time, and then they may carry on the same mistakes and behave in the same manner again and again. It may be their habits. But if we are going to focus on their habits, we would be always feeling sorry for it, and we would not able to move on in our life. It is just to be protective about ourselves and move on. Somewhere, if at all, you are in a position where you need to correct them, like you are a boss and your subordinate is doing something wrong, or you are a parent and children are doing something wrong, you are in a position to correct them. There you cannot forgive and unwind the ties and let go. You are in a responsible position to correct them. At that particular moment, I think we need to understand our role, and role identity is very important. We need to do what the role wants us to do. If we need to talk to them, we need to talk to them. If we need to advise them, we need to advise them. If we need to say it again and again, we need to do it. Because here it is just not about forgiving, it is about your responsibility as well. So we need to understand our position and the factor of forgiving. Once you start analyzing your position and the concept, I think slowly you will understand, and you would really appreciate the position in which you are in and carry on in your life more methodically and peacefully.
Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification icon for updates.